Okay guys, next turn that we're going to learn is vacila y dame una. Vacila y dame una. This particular turn is very, very similar to a vacila, but the only thing is instead of picking up this girl, or the girl that I'm dancing with, I'm going to move on to the next girl. And I'm going to show you that while dancing one-on-one. Ready? And forward, 2, 3. Vacila y dame una. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Go to the next girl. Pica adelante, 2, 3. And dile que no. Okay? All I'm doing is I'm going to the next girl. That's all it is. Let's break it down by the numbers. Regular vacila. And 1, 2, 3, and tap. You learned this in a previous lesson, so you should know this at this time. We're going to do the regular vacila. And 1, 2, and 3. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to forget about the girl that I'm dancing with, and I'm going to go towards the next girl. And 1, 2, and together. Notice that I've completely forgotten about who I'm dancing with at this time. I'm already looking for the next girl. Ready? And pica adelante, 2, 3, and dile que no. Okay?